Hello, fellow travellers. Today we're soaring over Manchester, England. From this vantage point, we can see the entire city spread out beneath us, a stunning blend of history and modernity. Look, the city unfolds beneath us, a vibrant tapestry of old and new. The historic buildings tell tales of a rich past, while the modern structures speak of a bright future. Chimneys from a bygone era stand tall alongside modern skyscrapers. These industrial relics are a reminder of Manchester's pivotal role during the Industrial Revolution. This is a city with a rich past and an even brighter future. The historical landmarks are beautifully preserved, standing proudly next to new developments that symbolize progress and innovation. Are you ready to explore? Let's go. As we glide over the city streets, you can see the hustle and bustle of daily life. People moving about, cars navigating the roads, and the vibrant energy that defines Manchester. Manchester's energy is palpable even from up here. The city is alive with activity, from the busy markets to the serene parks. Each corner of Manchester has its own unique charm. I always feel a buzz of excitement as we descend into this dynamic city. Fasten your seatbelts, everyone. The anticipation builds as we get closer to landing, ready to immerse ourselves in all that Manchester has to offer. We're about to land in a place where history meets innovation, where culture thrives. Manchester is a city that embraces its past while looking forward to the future, creating a unique blend that is both inspiring and invigorating, and where there's something for everyone. From museums and galleries to theatres and music venues, Manchester's cultural scene is rich and diverse. Public spaces are filled with art, performances and events that bring the community together. Get ready, because Manchester is waiting to welcome you. Whether you're here for the history, the culture or the innovation, this city has something special in store for you. So let's dive in and explore all that Manchester has to offer. Manchester wasn't always a bustling metropolis. In fact, its transformation is one of the most remarkable stories of the Industrial Revolution. Walk with me now as we step back in time to an era when the air was filled with the promise of change and the streets echoed with the sounds of progress. In the 18th century, this was a humble market town, a place where farmers and traders gathered, exchanging goods and stories. But then came a revolution fueled by cotton. The invention of the spinning jenny and the power loom transformed Manchester's landscape and economy. Manchester became Cottonopolis, the engine of the Industrial Revolution. The city grew rapidly, with factories and mills springing up almost overnight. Can you hear the clatter of the looms, the whirring of the machines? These sounds were the heartbeat of a new era, an era of unprecedented industrial growth. Manchester's factories churned out textiles for the world. The city's output was unmatched and its influence spread far and wide. This city was a pioneer, a symbol of progress. It wasn't just about textiles. Manchester became a hub for innovation in engineering, transportation and science. The spirit of hard work and innovation still resonates here today. Modern Manchester is a thriving centre for technology, education and culture, and that's what makes Manchester so fascinating. It's a city that has managed to preserve its rich history while continuously evolving and adapting to the future. It's a city that embraces its past while forging ahead into the future. From its industrial roots to its modern-day achievements, Manchester stands as a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. Now let's stroll over to Albert Square, where a magnificent building dominates the scene. Look up, that's Manchester Town Hall, a masterpiece of neo-Gothic architecture. It's like stepping into a Victorian fairy tale. Feel the weight of history as you step inside. The Town Hall is more than just a pretty facade. It's the heart of Manchester, a symbol of civic pride. Take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship, the soaring arches, the ornate details. This building is a testament to the ambition and artistry of Victorian England. While you're inside Manchester Town Hall, be sure to look closely at the walls. See those incredible murals? They're not just decorations, they tell the story of Manchester itself. Painted by Ford Madox Brown, these murals depict scenes from the city's history. Each mural is like a window into the past. We see the Romans founding the city, the busy marketplace in medieval times, and the triumphs of the Industrial Revolution. Its history brought to life in vivid color. Take your time and let the murals transport you back in time. They're a powerful reminder of Manchester's enduring spirit. Section 5, the Theatre of Dreams, Old Trafford. This iconic stadium has been the heart and soul of Manchester United since 1910. With a seating capacity of over 75,000, it stands as a monument to the rich history and tradition of one of the most successful football clubs in the world. Now let's talk about something close to the heart of every Manchester resident: football. Football isn't just a sport here, it's a way of life. From the young kids kicking a ball around in the local parks to the die-hard fans who have supported the team for decades, the passion for the game is palpable. And there's no place more iconic than Old Trafford, the home of Manchester United. This stadium has witnessed countless historic moments, from last-minute goals to unforgettable victories. It's a place where dreams are made and legends are born. Even if you're not a die-hard fan, a visit here is an unforgettable experience. The atmosphere is electric and the sense of history is overwhelming. You can feel the pride and passion that generations of fans have poured into this club. Feel the electricity in the air as you approach the stadium. The streets are filled with fans, all eagerly making their way to the match. The excitement is contagious, and you can't help but get swept up in the anticipation. Hear the roar of the crowd, 75,000 strong, united in their passion for the beautiful game. The sound is deafening, and the energy is unlike anything you've ever experienced. It's a symphony of cheers, chants, and pure emotion. You can take a tour, explore the museum, and even walk through the players' tunnel. The museum is a treasure trove of memorabilia, showcasing the club's storied past. From the trophies to the jerseys, every item tells a story of triumph and dedication. It's a chance to feel the magic of one of the world's most famous football clubs. Stand on the pitch where legends have played and imagine the roar of the crowd as you score the winning goal. It's an experience that will stay with you forever, a testament to the enduring legacy of Manchester United and the Theatre of Dreams. Section 6, the bohemian spirit of the Northern Quarter. Next, we're diving into the heart of Manchester's creative scene, the Northern Quarter. This neighbourhood is a maze of quirky shops, independent cafes, and vibrant street art. Get ready for a feast for the senses. Browse through vintage clothing stores, discover hidden record shops, and sip coffee in cozy cafes. Keep your eyes peeled for the amazing street art. Murals and graffiti transform ordinary walls into extraordinary works of art. The Northern Quarter is a place to express yourself, to find unique treasures, and to soak up the bohemian atmosphere. Section 7. A taste of Manchester at Arndale Market. Hungry? Let's head over to Arndale Market, a foodie's paradise. This bustling market is a feast for the senses, with stalls overflowing with fresh produce, local delicacies, and international flavors. Take a deep breath and savor the aromas of freshly baked bread, exotic spices, and strong coffee. Treat yourself to a Manchester tart, a local delicacy with a sweet pastry crust and a custard filling, or warm up with a hearty Lancashire hot pot, a slow-cooked stew that's perfect for a chilly day. This is Section 8, Artistic Treasures at the Manchester Art Gallery. For a dose of culture, let's visit the Manchester Art Gallery. Home to an impressive collection spanning centuries, this gallery offers something for everyone. From pre-Raphaelite masterpieces to contemporary installations, you're sure to find something that captivates your imagination. Wander through the galleries at your own pace, taking in the beauty and diversity of art. Admire works by renowned artists like Gainsborough, Turner, and Lowry. The Manchester Art Gallery is a place of quiet contemplation, a space where you can connect with your creative side. Section 9. Finding serenity in Heaton Park. After a day of exploring the city, it's time to unwind in the tranquility of Heaton Park. This sprawling green oasis is the perfect place to escape the urban hustle and bustle. Take a leisurely stroll through the gardens, breathe in the fresh air, and admire the colourful blooms. Rent a boat and go for a peaceful row on the lake, or simply relax on a bench and watch the world go by. Heaton Park is a reminder that even in the heart of a bustling city, you can always find a moment of peace and quiet. Section 10, Manchester, your journey begins. As the sun sets over Manchester, casting a warm glow on the city's skyline, we come to the end of our journey. But it's just the beginning of yours. Manchester has so much more to offer, from its vibrant music scene to its fascinating museums. I hope this little taste of Manchester has inspired you to discover its wonders for yourself. So pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in one of England's most dynamic cities.